this same project that is funding the Maliu Bridge, we are also carrying out works to upgrade the ford at Moamoa. As you know, the ford at Moamoa is subject to flooding, is susceptible to flooding. And it is unfortunate that the residents at Moamoa do not have an alternative route when they can't access the ford during times of flooding. Thus, it is of priority that we upgrade this crossing here. The works are being carried out by Aluki Construction, and they started the works last week. The duration of the work should be around 6 months.
All